It's cooling but it's very humid.
Oxygen is better than nitrogen. Go Kia! Go Kim Yoon-juk!
You guys realize I'm taking a video now?
Yes, I can tell. Even though you'll be holding camera like so. Oh, it's hot, yeah.
Give me your phone. I'll take a photo.
Okay.
People gonna laugh at me. Like, oh, look at this big over there. Don't laugh at me. My mother asked me to wear one.
Let's see how Yuni wears.
People gonna laugh at me.
What's your phone?
You know how to use, right?
I think the behind drop down.
The behind
The halter.
Whatever.
Really? Are you taking video? Why
Yeah.
is it so long one?
I don't know lah.
Don't have time limit one.
You see the monkey very cute eh.
I see monkey. Oh! Oh, got monkey here.
Yeah, the monkeys here, you don't know meh?
Oh my god. Picky.
Oh, look at the comic.
It alters their natural behavior and makes them aggressive to humans. Wow, they eat also want to be aggressive.
Yeah, finger lah. Hey, where to go ah? Somehow I feel very cold.
Yeah, it's really here already lah. Really.
I'm hot, you're hot, and you're cold. I'm very hot I'm very cold at the same time. Can you hide in the toilet?
Are we going to the summit?
What?
Are you going to the summit?
Can we just go by there? We're going. We go to the toilet and just go. Monkeys may look cute, but feeding them will make them bored.
Monkeys may look cute, but feeding them will make them bored and they will approach people for food. Even to find their own food in the forest. Silence is golden. Do not leave radios and do leave sound.
Do not release therapies and fishes to the reservoir. Wow. Reservoir.
Just say buttress roots.
Buttress roots. Oh, sorry. Down here, up, down. Yumi?
Yeah.
Buttress roots.
It's super tall.
The advantage of being a photographer and the video taker means that he doesn't have to take his pictures.
Why do we have to take video like that?
Evidence ma, I don't know ah. They say
Take short videos lah.
This is a trail. We're not going there because it looks like you're gonna die if you walk there. Look, wait, I shall show you. Here, look at the freaking slope. You're gonna fall if you walk there. So I'm not gonna die because I'm too young to die before I love it. So I'm not gonna walk here. Let's walk up here. Let's go buy Allyson 一走了啦. Allyson's all the way up there.
Alyson's tired of you.
I'm taking random photos. Okay, I shall stop it. How to stop?
Disable comments.
We are going up the trail. I think I'm moving the camera too fast. Pictures are flashing over. Look, that's Allyson. Look at her skinny legs. She's so self-conscious. Look, she's... Oh my god, Stairway to Heaven. Dun, 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 dun. There, I found you.
Wow.
It's very nice at this place. I feel so hot. We are hikers. I'm a hiker wearing jeans. Look. Jeans. Look. We've reached the end of the Stairway to Heaven. We got there. I'm very bored. Look. Sun. Oh, that's pretty. Oh look, finally. Straight. Pass. Cool. Oh, where did Allyson go? Oh. Oh my god, it's a shelter, look. This is our heaven. Sun. Jeremy's still all the way back. Let's wait for him. Now we are leaving. I'm having so much fun. We're gonna walk. Oh, I didn't know there was a sign up there. Look, South View Hut. Okay, let's go.
Are you taking a video?
Hey, we're going down. Yeah, I'm taking a video. I'm having so much fun with the video camera.
You guys go down first, I go and take a picture of the descending.
This place is very scary. I'm gonna fall down already. Look, Allyson jumping. Jump. Yeah. Pardon me, I know I shake the camera a lot. I wonder if we're gonna post this out on the blog, seriously. Look. Trail to nowhere. Sun. Up! This place is scary eh! Oh. I swear I'll never wear jeans again! Oh! Where? Spider. Where? Oh, do you see the flying thing? Okay, you can't.
There's a drip tip. Okay, I should take it.
It's an ant.
Okay, I don't know lah, whatever.
Zoom. Where's the ant? Look, it's at the edge. Oh, pardon me. This thing is very blur.
I can't.
Oh, my videos are 1 minute long.
Oh my god, we're standing on a bunch of ants. No wonder I can feel.
Ants. Look, we were standing on ants.
Awesome, Yuni.
I can stand here because I'm wearing sneakers and jeans. Look, okay. Look, jeans.
I didn't realize. I hope they didn't climb
Oh,
on
spider.
me.
Okay, whatever. I'm gonna stop this thing. Stop.
Did it?
Lost. Allyson. Jeremy. Allyson. Jeremy's lost, seriously. Okay, whatever. Jeremy, think. Don't get eaten up by snakes. Did I mention my leg really hurts a lot?
Where is he?
I shall wear proper running shoes next time I come hiking with Allyson and Jeremy. He's all the way back there. Jeremy, where are you?
Let's ask Jehao along.
Jihao will probably scream. Oh, look. Insect. Oh, there's a butterfly. Okay, can't see it. Okay, whatever, it's long. Gone. Whatever. Ah! My leg very pain eh! Because I'm wearing sneakers and it's high cut. No, mine's high cut. It hurts more. Oh, look! It reminds me of Tarzan. Can you see that thing down there? Okay, I shall walk closer. This is Tarzan's world. Oh, you can't see from here. Shall go down. Wait a sec. Might see it from here. Oh, something just touched me. Do you see the Tarzan's undergrowth place? All the way there. How do you get down from here? Oh, my leg really hurts a lot. Okay.
Please don't fall down.
This is Tarzan's place. Can you see it?
Oh look, cool, just take a photo of that.
Oh, I'm taking a video, wait. Tarzan's place, look. Can you see that it's all the way down there? I'm not gonna go down there because I'm not gonna die, look. The trail. No, wait, not here. There, trail. Okay, let's stop the video, we're gonna take a photo. Down steps.
There's no signal.
Up steps.
Emergency calls only.
And Jeremy's gone. We need emergency call. SOS, Jeremy, Tang, where are you? I think he's like back there taking photos.
Yeah, there's no signal.
There's no signal. Oh, son. You know what? We should continue our walk. Jeremy's not gonna get lost because we're on the same track. Let's go.
I'm just scared that you.
Sneakers, they hurt a lot. Do not buy these sneakers at all. Trust me, they hurt. Okay, don't buy them. Let's go. I think I'm an idiot talking to myself. Ouch. Ah, I think when I go, I'm gonna get a lot of blasters around my leg. These steps are really steep.
Oh my god.
Ah, my leg very pain.
Tell me he tumbled down the stairs and then like got unconscious?
He won't.
Yeah, I'm serious.
Do you have plaster? Very pain eh.
I'm serious.